Hello students. As you know, a profession is a job or an occupation that a person chooses to earn. A profession of a person would depend upon his education, his skill and his training. So now in this video we will discuss about some different type of professions. Okay, so let's see.
Number one is food flavorist. A food flavorist is also known as the flavor chemist. He or she actually is a food scientist whose job to create artificial and natural flavors by combining essential oils, plant extract and aroma chemicals. Second is fitness instructor. A fitness instructor advises people to specialized or routine exercise program. They generally work at a gym or a fitness center. Their timing would vary according to the timing of the gym or the availability of the client. The next is forensic scientist. A forensic scientist is a part of a crime investigation team. They have to collect, preserve, and scientifically analyze evidence during the investigation of a case. The next is food critic. A food critic is tasked with the job analyzing food, its presentation, and the service and decor of a restaurant. They then write and share their observation with the public. They write reviews for magazines, travelers, newspaper, and food related websites. The next profession is interior designer. An interior designer decorates the interior space of a house or a workplace. They know how to optimally utilize the interior space. They are tasked with decorating the interior, including selecting the wall colors, lighting, seating, and etc. to the satisfaction of the client. The next profession is gallery curator. A gallery curator manages art, artifacts, etc., and has to take care of the items in a museum. They are also responsible for the display and the acquisition of new works of art in the museum so as to increase the footfalls. The next profession is meteorologist. A meteorologist observes and forecasts atmospheric phenomena and the effect that it has on earth. They predict when is it going to rain or if a storm is coming. Based on their prediction, the authorities take precautionary measures to ensure least amount of inconvenience is caused to the public. Our next topic is afforestation. Afforestation. Afforestation involves planting of trees or sowing seed in a barren land with the objective of growing a forest. Afforestation is different from reforestation. Reforestation is a process of specifically planting native trees in a forest that is depleting. So, afforestation is all about creating a new forest, while reforestation is increasing the number of trees in an existing forest. Here are so many importance of afforestation. Afforestation helps to resolve the problem of climate change. Now dear students, our next topic is organic farming. So let's discuss. Organic farming. Organic farming is an alternative to the conventional agricultural method. Adopting in the early 20th century, organic farming is free of pesticides, fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, antibiotics, and growth hormones. Organic farming involves the production of crop and livestock in a holistic manner. It promotes sustainable and eco friendly agriculture that supports the environment.